In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reduced tax rate fast and easy. We'll walk through this process step by step, making sure you understand how to do this efficiently within WooCommerce on your WordPress site. So let's get started. First, you'll need to visit your WordPress dashboard. If you're unfamiliar, this is the main hub where you manage all aspects of your site. Once you're there, look for the WooCommerce section on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find various options related to your online store. Next, click on WooCommerce. This will open a new page where you can manage orders, products, and other essential settings. Among these options, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Entering the Settings area allows you to customize your store even further. Once you're inside the settings, look for the Tax tab. Clicking on this will bring you to the Tax configuration area. Within the tax settings, there are multiple sections, but today we're focusing on the reduced rate rates. Select this option to proceed. Now, to add a new tax rate, click on the Insert Row option. This function enables you to add new tax details. As you start to input the details, the system will prompt you to fill in various fields such as country code, state code, and postcode or zip. Make sure to enter the correct locations where the reduced tax rate will apply. Continuing, enter the relevant city for this tax rate. This can vary if you have different rates for different locations. After specifying the location, you'll move on to set the actual tax percentage. Click on the Rate Percent field and enter the rate that applies. It's crucial to double-check this rate to ensure accuracy, as this affects your pricing strategy. Next, name your tax rate in the Tax Name field. This helps with organization and remembering the purpose of different tax rates. Following this, you'll need to prioritize your tax rates. In the Priority field, assign this new rate a priority level. It's worth noting that lower numbers signify a higher priority. Subsequently, consider whether this tax should compound on top of others by checking the compound box if needed. This ensures tax calculations are accurate according to your geographical tax laws. Finally, decide if this tax rate is applicable to shipping. If it is, make sure to check the shipping box. Once all the information is entered, it's time to save your changes. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the Save Changes button. Click on it, and your new reduced tax rate will be added and ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully added a reduced tax rate to your WooCommerce store. By following these steps, you can now manage your tax settings with more precision and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions.